Hey everyone, today we're back with another fun and exciting episode featuring Lisa, Laura, and Lina.
You don't cry,
cute outfits,
you're not strong
and all the
enough
fun.
to care.
Choices that will keep you
Getting
guessing.
lost in my own
Get ready to
way,
explore their
not
amazing
in the
styles.
game.
Which one is your
One more
favorite?
dance to see
Lisa,
me.
Laura,
I've
or
been
Lina?
hoping we could try.
Are you a Laura fan or a Lina fan?
Not to lie alone tonight. I will
I
never
would choose
have
Lina.
the life you stole. Now I'm keeping everything in my soul.
Who do you like more?
If you call me in the night, I
Hey
will
friends,
ask you
what's your
every
choice?
time. Can you breathe with me?
Tell me your choice in the comments
Another
below.
life, I'm feeling colder than you light.
Which
But
one?
tonight, I feel it's time to override the tale. I gotta pick you up, rewind. Your wicked words that crush my mind. You put me on
I
the
would choose Lina. And you?
line. I'm burning, run away, that's all you do. And
Lisa,
I've
Laura,
had
or
enough of you.
Who do you like more?
Spell to get me through, bring harmony for you.
What's your choice?
Together where this pain has got to go, I've got to grow.
I like Laura's choices.
Can you
What
breathe
about
with
you?
me? At the 11th
Which
hour,
one?
people fail to pass the test. Holding out for a last chance.
Which one is your
They're hard
choice?
to relapse. One more light to take me, and I hope that you won't
Lisa,
try.
Laura, or Lina?
'Cause
Who
I
do
don't
you
wanna
like
know if I get out.
I like Laura's choices. What about you?
If you call me in the night,
Mention your favorite
is
choice
it
in the comments.
goodbye?
I would choose Lina. And you?
In another life, I'm feeling colder
What's your
than you
choice?
light. But tonight, I feel it's time to override the tale. I gotta pick you up, rewind. Your wicked words that crush my mind. You put me on the line. I'm burning, run away, that's all you do. And I've got enough of you. The silence spell to get me through, bring harmony for you. Together where this pain has got to go, I've got to grow. Can you breathe with me?
Which one you want to go for? Let's find out. So, which one will be your favorite today? Who is your number one? Hey
You don't
friends,
cry,
what's your
you're not
choice?
strong enough to care. Getting lost in my own
Are you
pain,
Laura fan or a
not
Lina
in the
fan?
game. One more dance to see me.
Which
I've
one?
been hoping we could try. Not to lie alone
Tell me your
tonight.
choice